I teach you how to speak in Bicol. Oh. Like beautiful girl in Bicol, mabata ang buray.
Mabata ang buray.
Yes, mabata ang buray.
Mabata ang buray.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful girl in Bicol. Oh,
Mabata ang buray.
yes. That's good. Huh? Yeah. It's very beautiful. And I love you in Bicol. I love you. Parot mo.
Parot mo.
Yes. In Bicol,
Parot mo.
yes, parot mo.
So if I have to combine the two.
Oh, yes.
Mabuti ang buray, parot mo.
Mabata ang buray, parot mo.
Mabata ang buray, parot mo.
Yeah, that's good. It's Daniel.
I told you I'm going to learn. What? I told you I'm going to learn this.
Oh, that's why I
Teach you, what's the meaning? Dito. Malaki.
Ulit. Titiko.
Malaki ang titi.
Yeah, very good. Mentor. Yeah. One more. Malaki.
Malaki ang titi.
Yes. Pa natin mga brother. Hi muna kayo, hi.
Hi.
Yan, hi lang konti. Hi.
Are you okay?
Yan.
Yeah, I'm good.
And Daniel, siyempre. Mangkanor. Ayun pa yung tatlo. Tambay-tambay muna kami mga brother dito.